The following program is video supplemental instruction. VSI is brought to you by the Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.
Talking a bit about how neurons signal each other, how the signal travels away from the cell body, down the axon to the axon terminal. On this diagram, the axon is here and the axon terminal is here. Now this gap here is called the synapse. So, synapse is the gap. Now this blue area here represents a dendrite of another neuron. Notice that they're not actually touching. The axon terminal doesn't actually touch the dendrite here. Right here, these are different receptors. The circles here are vesicles, which package neurotransmitters. So a signal travels down the axon to the terminal and stimulates the release of, let's say these black triangles here are serotonin, the neurochemical serotonin. So what's going to happen here is these vesicles, these serotonin vesicles, will go ahead and go closer to the edge here, bind to the edge, and kind of form this little shape here, like the Greek letter omega. And it will kind of open up. So these triangles here will be released then into the synaptic cleft. And then this will slowly kind of be reabsorbed here. And it will end up like that again. And these chemicals will drift down here and then bind to the proper receptor. So they won't bind to a receptor like this because they won't fit, but they will bind to the correct receptor. And this will stimulate some kind of signal then at the dendrite, and it will carry another signal on then down that cell. So that's essentially how communication between neurons occurs.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.